Hello, soulmates. Today I'll be illustrating how to take certain measurements to enhance how you draft certain outfits. My name is Malcolm Oluwafumini Ayo. So I have my dress form here, but on this dress form I'm going to mark a circle around the bust so we can see what I am illustrating. Now, why I have the circle in order for us to be able to pinpoint certain area around the bust. Now I'm going to measure from the shoulder to the bust point. That's the tip of my bust point. And that's where my nipple is. Your bust point is your nipple. Then I'm going to take it through under the bust in this direction. Ensure you do not press the tape. Let it lay on its own. So measure the bust point in this direction, then take it down to under the bust. That is perfect. So the next is to measure the bust height. So I'm going to measure from this direction. Ensure you pass through the bust point under the bust. Perfect. Do not press down. Let it lay on its own. When you have that done, the next thing to do is to measure the bust arc in this direction. Ensure it sits where the bust starts from inward to the side. Let it lay on the bust point. Don't press it because when you press, you might not have accurate measurement. So that is all you need to do. This enable you to draft either your corset or whatever you're drafting perfectly. Thank you. Don't forget to watch more of this on YouTube at Mother by Malcolm. Like, share, and also subscribe so you can have more updates and also hit the notification button. Thank you.